YouTubers, it's Sandy from Spare Time. I wanted to get on here real quick and kind of do a series of cruise packing type videos. Some of the things that we use and that we like and we keep using that makes it more organized and just more efficient to find what you're looking for, make it easier to pack. I have one bag here. This is my electronic bag. It's by BagSmart, and I did purchase it on Amazon. It holds electronics and so much more. I mean, you could use it for whatever you can think of to go in this bag. Put all our cords in here for our phone. We have some for our other devices, for a GoPro, all kinds of stuff. Also put extra lanyards in there just in case you might lose one break. Has a nice little see-through mesh pouch there with a zipper, so makes it where nothing moves around too much. I put my husband's collapsible straw in there and some extra let's see, things for my lanyard in case one of them break. I have had one of them break before. And let's see, I should actually, well, another pouch, and there is my extra luggage tag holder. Anyway, I have had one of these get broken off, so I always keep one just in case. I put a koozie in there. Let's see, I got a pen and a highlighter and some other things in there, but it is open, so whatever you put in there, it's a possibility that will shift and move around. Some more things that we bring is a tripod. Can use it for GoPro or whatever. I have found, me and my husband love interior cabins on a ship. So when we're in there, you don't have a clock. Well, I decided to start bringing the tripod, and I put my phone on always on display, and it displays the clock. So I just set it up on the counter. Anytime I need to look at, see what time it is, there it is, right there on the tripod. And we can use it for the GoPro and when we're recording things. Also throw in some magnets for the walls. We hang our lanyards, our hats, sunshades, all kinds of stuff on these. I do believe this is our spare one in here. We also have our little tower, multi-purpose tower. Has all USB ports on the side of it. I put my battery bank and another cube, and then a splitter for my tablet so I can charge it and listen to the headphones. This is our extension cord we bring, which you can bring one as long as it's not surge protected, which this one is not. It has 3 USBs on it and 2 plugs. This pretty much stays packed like this. When I pull it back out when we're going to go back on a cruise, I usually make sure my battery's charged, recheck everything, make sure I don't have to replace something, and makes it very convenient. It's always packed, it's always ready to go. And then when you get to the room, all you got to do is look for this one single bag and you know exactly what's in it. I'm kind of cautious when I go through security, so I don't want my bags being held up or anything, so I make sure I put this bag in my carry-on. That way, if they see something that they're suspicious, want to look at it, because of the extension cord, they do sometimes check to make sure that they're not surge protected. So if I got a question, I just pull it out, they look at it, and I go straight through. But tell you the truth, I think I've only been stopped one time with it in my carry-on. I think they kind of figure they know what they look like. So, but that is my handy trick for electronics. And we also have another one, and it holds all our GoPro stuff. We also have our GoPro case that holds it. So there's a lot of different things, but it keeps everything all organized, all in one. So I hope this video helps you. I hope you can find a use for it, even if it's not electronics. Hey YouTube people, this is Sandy from Spare Time. I have been doing a series of packing videos and I realized I forgot one because I do not normally bring this one. This is one that we only use when we leave out of Galveston. We live in Louisiana, so most of the time we leave out of New Orleans. But Galveston just so happened to have a ship that we love and have been on for a while. This is our bag. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. This is our bag for, I just stick my tennis shoes in there. We are staying the night before, so that's my tennis shoes I wear onto the ship. This is our bag that we pack our alcohol in and our Cokes. I'm actually purchased a bottle for a friend, so that's why I have 3 in there. She's going to be meeting us. We're going to be traveling with them. But each person in the cabin is allowed to bring a 12-pack of sodas, unopened, of course, original box. So each person is allowed to bring 1. You are allowed to bring 1 750 milliliter bottle of wine, champagne. I cannot remember what I ordered, and they came in these little bitty, I call them life wraps, but they actually turned out to be awesome because I placed my 2 bottles in here and they don't cling around. Don't worry about them breaking. So we have this heavy duty bag. The reason why I pack it in a separate bag, also use this sometimes when we go to port if we're planning on purchasing big things that won't fit in our book bag. But the reason I show you this specific bag for this is that you cannot check your Cokes and your alcohol. When you go through security, they have to inspect it. So I keep it in one bag. That way I'm not digging through my carry-on bag, and also it weighs down your carry-on bag. If you're rolling that carry-on bag trying to go in elevators, up escalators, around everything, it gets heavy. So we actually sit this on top of our carry-on bag, pull it that way. But you could have somebody else carry this bag and you do the rolling bag. So it helps. We normally do not bring this bag because most of the time leaving out of New Orleans, the Cheers package works on the first day. Out of Galveston, it does not. So we bring our alcohol for the first night and some Cokes for my husband. So that was just a little quick pack of this alcohol and Coke carry-on bag. Okay, YouTubers, that does it for the alcohol bag and the electronics bag. If you like this video, I hope you check out the other one. I have the full packing series on another video. So if you like this video and you like the next one, please like and subscribe, and I will get back with you later. Bye for now.